to my channel. Today is a very exciting video. I'll just go ahead and announce, if you do not follow me on Instagram, which you should, I will leave it right here, and then it's always at the end of the video and in the description box below. But I am now a Beachbody coach. Some people might think this is absolutely crazy, and it probably is, but I've just come to the realization that I have a lot of confidence in a lot of areas, and while I'm not completely uncomfortable with how my body looks, even though I know that it could look better and I know I would feel a lot better if it did, it's more about just how I feel overall in general, how tired I am, how I eat like garbage, which doesn't help any cause of mine. So I decided that I am going to do the Transform 20 program that Beachbody offers. And you know, I've seen what it's done for a lot of women that I follow, so I knew that this is something that I wanted to be able to share with everyone if I could. So I just went ahead and I became a coach, and I'm so excited because ever since making this mindset that I'm going to do this and I'm going to feel better and I'm going to be confident and comfortable in my own skin, I have been like a whole new person. So I haven't even started yet, and I already feel so much better. So I want that for each and every one of you that's in the same boat. It's not about losing 100 pounds, it's not even about losing 5 pounds. It's just about getting the results that you want to get. If you want to lose 30 pounds, that's awesome. You can totally do this and lose the 30 pounds. For me, I just want to tone and feel and look more fit, and just be healthier overall. So the Transform 20 also is, you know, it's a 20-minute workout program every day, so it's just 20 minutes a day. We all can find 20 minutes a day to work out. It's at home, from the comfort of your own home, and then the meal prep and nutrition, there's all of that to help you eat right and just stay healthy. So it's all up to you and what you want to do, but this is an amazing program. It's a 6 weeks program. You could do just the 6 weeks, or if you like it, you can continue it. A lot of the girls I follow, and my coach herself, she's just done them over and over, which is incredible. So that was a long intro, but I just got all my packages from Beachbody, so I wanted to open them with you. And they are huge packages. I'm going to open this one second because I know what it is. So let's jump into this box, and I literally haven't even opened them yet. If you want to follow my journey and possibly join to do the 6-week program, definitely go follow me on Instagram so that I can get you signed up from there. If you don't have an Instagram, you should totally make one for yourself, because that is the best way to follow along in this journey, which I will vlog and stuff, some of the workouts and meal prep and stuff like that, just so you guys who aren't on Instagram can see it. But I post a lot on Instagram and my Instagram stories, so definitely go follow me over there. But the first thing in here that I see is a shaker bottle. So here is a Shakeology shaker bottle, which obviously you need. And there's 2 in here. I didn't know there was 2 in here, but that's awesome because I was looking to get one today so that I would have 2. And then you get your portion control containers. So when you're meal prepping, you can use these containers to figure out your portion sizes for your protein, your vegetables, your carbs, all that fun stuff. And then in here, I'm pretty sure, yes, this is the wall calendar. that you get, and it's dry erase so that when you start over you can do that. So it just tells you, it has like chapter 1, which is weeks 1 and 2, chapter 2, which is 3 and 4, and chapter 3, which is 5 and 6. And so you just track your workouts on here, which is awesome because it helps you stay accountable and see what all you're doing. And I love dry erase everything, so that is awesome. The next thing in here is the Shakeology, and this is a huge bag, y'all. But this is for the shakes. You can do them as meal replacement for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, I'm sure. Or you can just have it as your snack. If you want more details on all of this stuff, just let me know. I got the chocolate flavor. The next thing in here is, this is the pre-workout. So this is the Energize, and it's lemon flavored. So you drink this before your workout so that you get all the energy that you need, and I'm super excited about this. And then the next thing is the Transform 20 booklet and getting started. There's some success stories, and then there is some shake recipes, how to make the perfect shake, which is good because I definitely need help making some shakes. There's some really good ones on here. Really, really good ones. One that I think I'm going to be liking a lot is the Carl Daker Special. It's just almond milk, a banana, and peanut butter with the chocolate Shakeology. It sounds amazing. So, this comes with it to help you and gives you just an idea of things that you can put in it. Then this is your Portion Fix eating plan book. So this just will help you with your portion sizes when you're meal prepping and all of that. So it's basically like the red container, which is your proteins, and then it gives you all the examples. So when you're doing your meal prep, you just fill this up to the size, and then you put that in your meal prep container, and that's the portion of that you would need. And there's all kinds of other information in here. It helps you give an idea of like a schedule. So it says like 7 a.m. breakfast, choose one, 10 a.m. snack, and then it gives you some ideas and so on and so forth. So this is all really helpful information. And of course, this is the coach's package. I don't know what all comes with everything. If you're just signing up to do the boot camp, then that's fine too. You will get all of the meal prep and nutrition information when you sign up. Just trying to get everything set up on my table over here. Okay, and then this box I'm going to go ahead and open. This is your workout partner and the only equipment that you need for your workouts. And you really don't even need it. It's definitely good to have. It makes the workout more challenging and just goes along with the program. But you don't have to use it. You can do the modified steps without this, which is the step itself. So, ooh, I'm so excited. So it's not put together, it's in pieces, and I'm also tucked in this little corner. This is where I film my makeup videos and stuff, but I figured I had the boxes in here, so I would just show you. It is so cold from where it's been sitting outside today, so setting it on my lap is like freezing. So this is it. I'm just going to put these on real quick because they were going to fall off. Okie dokie. So this is it. This is the step. It's huge. I actually did not think it was this big, but that's awesome. So this is it, which you will see when I start doing my workouts. Again, follow me on Instagram because that's going to be where I'm going to be able to be the most active. But if you want any information on any of this stuff, just comment below if you're not on Instagram. Otherwise, just DM me on Instagram. But I am super excited. And then let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to see meal prep videos, if you want to see workout videos, if you want to see stuff like that, let me know. But yeah, I told you guys when I did my Fabletics haul that I had something super exciting. I've been thinking about this for a long time, and I've been following two girls specifically for a very long time, following their journey and just trying to decide if this was what I wanted to do. And I'm so excited that I decided to do it just because, like I said, I have literally been so excited for this. And normally it's really hard for me to commit to things, especially like working out and eating right, because I am such like a bad eater, and it's really hard to like eat right and not snack on junk food all the time and eat junk food for my meals and everything like that. But I'm super excited to be doing this. It's a complete lifestyle thing. It's not even about like a temporary 6-week program. Like, this is a lifestyle change, and it's for the better. It's to be healthier, to be just to feel better about myself, and to just to feel better in general, like not be so weak and tired and all of that, because I really struggle with being tired, and I feel like it stems from not eating right and just not being the healthiest version of me that I can be. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys are excited about this journey as I am. I cannot wait to show you guys the journey and what this can do for me, as well as what it can do for you. This is a business that you own yourself. Like, I am your coach, but I'm not your boss. You do what you want to with this business. If you want to sign up to be a coach, I recommend that, just because once you start something like this, there's going to be somebody that's like, I want to do that. So why not be able to share that with them, which you can gladly send them my way. I don't care either way, but it would be super, super awesome, and I would love to bring you along on this journey with me. So if you're interested, let me know. If you want to do the boot camps with me as well, definitely come along and join me. But other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.